Hey guys, Trevor here with eCommerce Paradise, and in today's episode, I'm going to give you a list of high-ticket items. These are high-ticket products that people are selling online through Shopify using Google Shopping ads, and these are products that are profitable. Some niches are harder to sell in than others, but they're all profitable high-ticket dropshipping products. So I'm going to give you that list, but before I do that, definitely get into my free niches list where I have a full breakdown in picture form and everything, and you can also get my free niche hacks training as well as access to my Niche Hacks Masterclass at a special discounted price. You can go there today at ecommerceparadise.com/niches. So this list is a list that I came up with a while back, and it's just ideas. So what I usually tell people is take these products, research them on Google, go through my training, and find which one you would be best suited at selling that's profitable, that's something that you're going to be passionate selling and learning about, and that you can build a skill set or you have already a prior skill set in. So that's kind of the perfect trifecta of choosing the perfect niche for you if you're going to choose high-ticket dropshipping as a business model you want to succeed with online. So with that said, let's go ahead and talk about the list. So the list, I got tons of ideas here. I'm just going to ramble off. Number one, DJ equipment. So if you're a DJ and you like to spin stuff, like I know a lot of DJs out here in Bali, and if you are already into DJing, you can actually sell DJ equipment. You can sell like the turntables, and you can sell PR systems and stuff like that. So DJ equipment is awesome. If you have children, you can sell baby strollers and other types of baby products that are high ticket. If you're into animals, there's lots of dog products. One of them specifically would be like a dog GPS collar. That's a good one. So if you're into dogs, you can get into that kind of stuff. If you're into golfing, if you're a golfer and you like that kind of stuff, you can sell golf simulators in the home. It's actually a pretty cool product. If you're into fitness and working out, you can actually sell fitness machines, dip and pull-up stations. Those are really profitable, as well as treadmills. Treadmills are really profitable, and it's a product that not only people buy for their home, but also small gyms will probably buy online. Cardio bikes are another example of a workout product. If you're into pets and you really like helping people like figure out their fishes and stuff like that, you like fish tanks and all that. Maybe you have fish already and you have the experience behind it. You can sell water aquariums. So there's lots of different like types of aquarium setups you can sell online. If you like work from home like I do, or you have an office job right now and you have a lot of knowledge on the equipment that office has, or maybe you worked in retail in like a Home Depot or Office Depot or something like that. Did you know you can actually sell office chairs and office desks and things like standing desks online? That they're profitable high ticket categories. And yeah. All right, if you like cooking and outdoor grilling, you can choose charcoal grills or gas grills, things like that, propane grills, slow cooker grills, pellet grills, things like that are profitable online products. So if you're like cooking and cooking up some good summer barbecue, then that might be a good niche for you. If you love your home or you just want to build a website out around the home because you like interior design, consider all different types of home categories. I'll ramble off a few of them. Patio awnings is one of them. Patio awnings are pretty cool. There's lots of like statues, sectional sofas, futons, mattresses, bathroom vanities, couches, ceiling fans go in the home. They can also go in an office as well. Let's see. Next one, if you're into cars, did you know that you can sell car exhausts, body kits, wheels, and tires, and things like that? Just do the research online. Go through my niche hacks training. Find dropshipping suppliers through your competitors, okay? You can sell things like yard fencing, mowers, things that people use for big backyards, big green spaces and stuff like that they'll need to maintain that. You can sell bird baths. Bird baths are pretty cool. If you like to help the elderly out, and maybe your grandma or grandpa or something like that, and you have kind of a story there. Maybe you'd be interested in selling medical equipment or wheelchairs, electric wheelchairs, even mobility scooters, things like that. Let's say if you're into skateboarding, did you know you can sell electric skateboards online? You can sell electric longboards, things like that. It's pretty cool. If you're into archery or if you're into hunting, you can sell things around hunting, around archery, things like that. Just be careful though with weapons. You can't market those on Google Shopping, okay? And that's one thing I teach in my niche hacks course and in my masterclass as well, of course, is that you have to make sure that it's going to be a category that fits with Google Shopping policies. All right, and then talking more about the golf niche, did you know you can sell golf clubs and golf bags for that matter? So, you can sell golf caddies, push caddies, electric push caddies are another category you can sell online. Let's talk more about the home now. There's coffee tables, bookshelves. One unique category that I see sometimes, and I used to see back in like old video stores, but sometimes in people's homes, popcorn machines, and I actually see websites selling those. That's pretty interesting. When people have a really big house and it's a cool, sick ass house, and sometimes they'll have projectors and screens. Like people like to put up even outdoors. Like it doesn't even have to be a crazy house. You can take that with you camping. Is having like a screen projector, and you can watch movies when you're camping. So projectors and screens are definitely profitable. Microscopes are profitable. It's an interesting niche. Let's see, dog houses, portable sheds and housing, outdoor sheds. People build their own sheds, but I also buy complete sheds, so you can sell those online. Let's see here, trampolines and bounce houses. Those are profitable. Tool chest drawers for the garage, area rugs, solar shades, solar panels and solar panel equipment, fire pits, patio heaters, electric fireplaces, ethanol fireplaces. Let's see here, ping pong tables, pool tables, foosball tables, anything for the game room and stuff like that. Speaking of which, like the home bar niche is also very profitable. Home bars and kegerators and wine coolers, things like that. Casino style tables like poker tables and roulette and craps tables. Air hockey tables, I think I didn't mention that yet, air hockey tables. Let's see here, which is another good one. Kitchen islands, so anything in the kitchen, farmhouse sinks, things like that. Indoor space heaters, sliding indoor interior doors. So you can sell doors, but are you into doors? Do you have skill set? Do you have experience and background in selling doors? Do you understand them? If you do, then great, sell them. Let's see here, wicker furniture, portable gas grills, hibachi grills. I kind of already went over that. Let's see here. Did you know inflatable boats is actually a profitable category? Inflatable canoes, inflatable stand-up paddle boards, things like that. Let's see, what else is good? Bicycles, electric bikes, fat tire bikes. I was there at the beach in Bali the other day, and the guy went by so fast, but he was on a electric fat tire bike. I thought that was so cool. He's just cruising, like barely having to pedal because the battery was pushing him, the motor was pushing him, and that was awesome. So electric fat tire bikes are really popular. Electric scooters, some other random ones, sprinkler systems for lawns, home security systems, mailboxes, survival backpacks. They used to sell those back in the day. Trolling motors for fishing boats, and that's about it for this list. I got tons of other ideas though, guys, so if you want to get into my niches list, it's for free. It's at ecommerceparadise.com/niches. And all you got to do is sign up for that. You'll get free video training. You'll get a free niches list emailed to you, and then you get a chance to enroll in my niche hacks course. And that's on limited time special, so get in there while the price is low. And then when you're ready to start your store, if you're interested in starting up for my masterclass, first take my free mini course. It's at ecommerceparadise.com/secrets and sign up there. And then one last thing, guys, this week only, it is now September 16th, Monday. I'm going to be running a special on our turnkey high-ticket dropshipping store service where we actually build a store for you. So if you or someone you know has money but no time and wants to invest in a digital asset like a retail store doing high-ticket dropping like we do and wants an expert to build it for them that has a team that builds the most professional websites out there, you can hire us to do it for you. We have pre-built stores and we custom build stores for you and your particular skill set and passion, and make sure it's profitable. And we assist you along the way. It comes with coaching calls, and it comes with all sorts of guidance and hand-holding. So if you want that, go to ecommerceparadise.com/turnkey. You can sign up for my free training there where I discuss my 3 phases to success with a turnkey store, and I show you some testimonials from past clients, as well as our whole system laid out for you. And you can go ahead and buy it right there, or you can book a call on that page to speak with me personally one-on-one about it and to see if it's a good fit for you. So with that said, guys, thanks so much for listening, and I hope this niches list was helpful to you to try to get an idea for like different high-ticket niches that are out there, different product ideas. My best piece of advice, though, is find something that's right for you to sell online so that you don't get burnt out from it and that you have the passion to build your business no matter what happens. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.